मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। चैप्टर 15 एग्रीकल्चर न्यू चैप्टर है। इंट्रोडक्शन। इंडिया इज मेनली एन एग्रीकल्चर कंट्री। Agriculture is the most important occupations for most of the Indian families. In India, agriculture contributes about 16% of total GDP and 10% of total export. Okay. Over 60% of India's land area is arable, making it the second largest country in terms of total arable land. Agricultural products of significant economic value include rice, wheat, potato, tomato, onion, mangoes, sugar cane, beans, cotton, etc. Importance of agriculture in Indian economy. Throughout the industry has been playing an important role in Indian economy. Still, the contribution of agriculture in the development of Indian economy cannot be denied. This can be measured and gauged by the following facts of figures. First, agriculture influence on national income. The contribution agriculture during the first two decades towards the gross domestic product ranged between 48 and 16% in the year 2001-2002. This contribution declined to only about 26%. Second, agriculture plays a vital role in generating employment. In India, at least 2/3 of the working population earn their living through the agriculture works in India. Other sectors have failed to generate much of employment opportunity the growing working populations. Third, agriculture makes a provision for food for the ever increasing population. Due to the excessive pressures of population, labor surplus economics like India and rapid increase in the demand for food. Food production increase at a faster rate. The starting levels of food consumption in the countries are very low, and with a little increase in the capita income, the demand for food rise steeply. In other words, it can be stated that the income elasticity of demand for food is very high in developing countries. Therefore, unless agriculture is able to continuously increase its marketed surplus of food grains and crises like to image, mainly developing countries are passing through this fast and a bit to mark the increasing food requirements agriculture has been developed. Fourth, contribution to capital formations. There is a general agreement on the necessity capital formations, since agriculture happens to be the largest industries in developing country like India. It can and must play in importance role in pushing up the rate of capital formation. It is a fails to do so the whole process economic development will suffer a setback. ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन आपको मैंने बताया, साथ ही इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ